Yes, ma'am.
Not this.
Oh.
And
Notch. I feel completely crushed right now.
I think somebody trying to set me up.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah.
You're a dreamer. You dream a lot in your sleep.
No, not really. I know.
Yes, you do.
No, I
yes,
don't.
you do.
With something else? Can you come up with something?
What was that?
Oh my God. Time and place.
I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass.
Look at the material.
You should be going home
You can be the judge of it.
Okay, work.
You did this for what?
Why not?
Why?
Why not?
Why, though?
Imagine how tired we are. Imagine how tired we are of it.
She's incredible. She's a beautiful person. Her talent and brilliance is beyond. She surprises me all the time.
Wait a minute, hold on.
You want to know what? No, I am going to leave.
That's so upsetting.
Where my people at? Where my people at? What do you think about Dula Peep?
That would be me.
Can I fucking
That was quite a show. Very entertaining.
And that's on a period.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Now that's bullying. Did you see that?
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Got you on camera. You on candid camera now.
Wow, what a moment I will never forget. A moment that is most pleasing to me in my career.
Why are you laughing?
Bitch, let me tell you something.
Bitch.